Are you still waiting until the end of the shift to know exactly what happened on the production floor? Manual production labor reporting creates blind spots. Workers track time on paper, supervisors chase updates, hours get entered after the fact, and by the time labor and machine time hits the ERP, the data may already be late, incomplete, or inaccurate. That delay impacts more than reporting. It affects labor cost accuracy, production visibility, job costing, and your ability to respond to issues while work is still happening. Wisys Production Labor Reporting gives your team a better way. Workers can start, stop, pause, and report production time from Agility 360 Mobile. Supervisors can monitor active, paused, and completed jobs in Agility Explorer. Then labor and machine hours can be reviewed, reconciled, and posted back to the ERP. Less manual entry, better visibility, more reliable production data. Visit wisys.com/labor reporting for more details.